Powerful 1875 watts plus 3 heat, 2 speed combinations provide full customization for all hair types. Cool shot button sets the style or provides a quick touch-up option without the heat. Includes easy-to-use air concentrator attachment and pick attachment. Removable end cap for easy cleaning and continued performance. Your hair is your best accessory, but why should the accessorizing start with your styling tools? The mesmerizing design of the Gold N Hot Professional 1875 watt Euro hairdryer is only a hint of what your lovely tresses will look like after styling with this beauty. Powerful 1875 watts, 3 heat and 2 speed combinations, plus a cool shot button not only provide fast drying and styling but allow full customization for all hair types. Natural hair is not the same, and this dryer helps provide styling protection with the ability to give your hair the amount of heat it needs. This hairdryer includes 2 attachments that are easy to snap on. Remember to turn the dryer off before adding on an attachment. The air concentrator attachment focuses the airflow, boosting consistent drying and a smooth finish. The pick attachment enables easy lifting, great with sectioning, for additional smoothing. A removable end cap makes maintenance easy as can be and aids in continued performance. The 8 feet professional cord gives you a free range of movement to allow for comfortable styling. A 1-year limited warranty guarantees dependable performance and consistent results. Top reviews from the United States. Great hair dryer for black hair. I've used this for years until it died. Then Sally sold me a Conair promising that it would work on my Z curl type hair. It did not work well at all. In fact, the teeth on the pick got bent up. I found my trusty hairdryer on Amazon. Thank God.